In this video we will be discussing how to create a multiple choice question. First, go to the content bank and locate the Add button. Then select the Multiple Choice Quiz option from the question type box. Once the question is created, you will have the ability to edit the question's title, the question itself, the answer options given, and the amount of answer options available. Click Add option in order to add another answer to the question. After putting in your answers, you can dictate which is the correct answer by selecting the checkbox beneath the answer. The next option available is Overall Feedback. It can be customized to the creator's preference. Behavioral settings, however, allow you to change whether you want the taker to have access to a retry button, a show results button, or randomized questions. After creating the question and customizing it to your preferences, click the Save option. You will have now successfully created a multiple choice question. However, do note that when creating this type of question in the quiz question set activity type, the configuration process is exactly the same.